actually National Clean Out Your Closet Week. So as you're moving into the spring, as the seasons are changing, it's the perfect time to get inside of your closet and really decide what you want to keep, what you want to upcycle, and what you might want to donate. So as you're going through the closet, I suggest you make these 3 piles and decide as you're moving through it, is this a trendy piece? Is this something that I want to hold on to for forever? A white button-down shirt, for instance, or blue jeans are great pieces to just always have in your closet. And the OxiClean White Revive is an amazing product to keep your whites looking white and super clean and crispy. I typically get makeup on my shirts all the time or spill coffee. It always happens when I'm wearing white, of course. So this is an amazing product for that. Also, if I'm shopping in vintage places or my friends or clients are passing pieces along to me, the OxiClean Odor Blaster is an amazing product to get that, musty old smell out of pieces. Also, I don't want to smell like someone else. I want it to smell like me. So you can get more information at oxyclean.com. Wearing what we have is an amazing way to remain sustainable. I know that I had a bunch of clothes sitting in my closet for a few years that are just dying to be worn, and I'm excited to get back out there, be wearing my clothes again, and to really restyle and repurpose pieces that I already have. Everyone, especially women, should always have a suit. I'm a big believer in a suit. You can wear it in so many different ways. I typically wear them with sneakers during the day or a heel at night. I also think you should have a great jacket, a great button-down shirt, and maybe even a great pair of heels. I think these are things that you can wear all the time, never get rid of, rewear over and over. The best tip I can give for going from day to night is really just a shoe. A shoe can really change the vibe of an outfit. You can wear the same thing during the day, wear it into the evening time, and wear it with a heel or a sneaker. Like I said, I do that all the time. I'm definitely a tomboy, and so I'll wear a sneaker as long as possible and then wear a heel for nighttime. So coming up, I'm very focused on my brand, the Local Love Club, my styling series where I'm teaching up-and-coming stylists how to become me, as well as, of course, focusing on my clients and making sure they're well taken care of.